Have you subscribed to the Wishtrend newsletter? If you haven't yet, you're going to regret it. So let me show you how to subscribe to the Wishtrend newsletter. It's really easy. Go to the Wishtrend website and scroll all the way to the bottom. Then you'll see the sign up to receive news offers and updates. Type in your email address and click subscribe, then you're done. Super easy, right? If you're thinking, why do I have to subscribe to the newsletter? Listen up. The biggest perk you get for subscribing to the newsletter is that you'll receive a promo code for 15% off. The promo code for 15% off will be sent to the email you entered. This promo code doesn't require a minimum purchase amount in order to be used, so it's super awesome. I'll tell you the other things you can expect if you subscribe to the newsletter. First, you'll get emails about Wishtrend's special sales and promotions. You'll be notified about everything from weekly promotions, big promotions, new releases, restocks, beauty testers, flash deals, and more. And the most important thing is, those of you who subscribe to the newsletter will receive an additional special promo code. There may be a big sale coming soon. You guys know what I mean, right? Second, you'll get emails on Glam articles. Glam articles will give you essential information on skincare, such as skincare tips, tutorials, ingredient lookbooks, and more. And the last thing is Wishtrend TV mailing. We haven't sent anything out yet, but we have plans on mailing in the future. We'll make sure to prepare something fun and useful for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the Wishtrend newsletter. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!